What's up, people? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Temi here, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick and easy and simple brow tutorial. This video is full of a lot of tricks and tips that I learned by myself, so I'm taking credit for this and thanking God for the brain that he gave me to think about some of these things. So yeah, I haven't seen anybody do some of these things, so yeah, that's why I think I'm it up. But but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button, that bell down there, because it's going to tell you when I upload videos. And I always upload my videos every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be on the lookout for them. And also, after you're done watching this video, don't forget to go check out my other videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Temi, and yeah, on Snapchat. Everything that you need will be listed in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. So let's get started. So I'm first starting off by brushing my brows in an upward motion with a spoolie. And next I'm going in with this NYX micro brow pencil, and I'm using that to draw the bottom of my brows. Then yeah, I'm just filling in the bottom. I haven't gone to the top yet. I'm only drawing the bottom of my brows. Next I'm just connecting the top parts. I'm not gonna go in and like draw the whole top. I'm not doing that, but I'm just shaping it in the way that I want it, following my natural brow shape. Then I'm going to go in and put like little hair strokes, stroke it upwards, fill it upwards. Yeah. Next I'm going to go in with Brow Pomade, and I'm just going to use that and fill in the ends of my eyebrows. And next I'm going in with Got To Be Glue. I'm putting only a little bit of this, and I'm going to brush my brows upwards to give me like a feathery like effect. And now I'm just gonna brush all the product in upwards. I'm not adding any more excess product. I don't put that many product, just brush it up. Next I'm going in with this concealer by Anastasia Beverly Hills, just to clean up my brows. And I'm using this really thin paintbrush that I got from Walmart. I don't know, I came up with this, and it was only $4 for a pack. And this really does wonders. It's very thin, and then I brush it downwards, brush my brows in the downward effect. And I've seen that this just makes cleaning up your brows a lot more pretty. So I just go to the downwards part and I brush it to the side. I take a fluffy brush and I just blend everything. This is just blending. And yeah, that's it. I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.